You see a coin trading at 10 cents and think it's cheap. Another coin is at $50,000 and you think you missed it. You're looking at the wrong number. Price means nothing without context. A 10-cent coin can be overvalued. A $50,000 coin can be undervalued. The metric that actually matters is market cap, and most beginners have no idea what it is or why it's the only number worth watching. Price is just one variable in an equation. You can't evaluate a coin based on price alone because you don't know how many coins exist. If coin A costs $1 and there are 100 million coins, the total value is $100 million. If coin B costs 1 cent and there are 50 billion coins, the total value is $500 million. Coin B is 5 times more valuable even though it costs 100 times less per coin. This is why people buy coins under $1 thinking they're cheap and then wonder why they don't 10 times. The price isn't the indicator. The market cap is. Market cap is the total value of all coins in circulation. It's calculated by multiplying the current price by the circulating supply. Bitcoin's market cap is around $1.8 trillion. That means all Bitcoin combined is worth $1.8 trillion. When you ask, can this coin reach $100? The question that matters is, can this coin's market cap reach the level required for a $100 price? If a coin has 10 billion tokens in circulation, a $100 price means a $1 trillion market cap. That's bigger than most companies on Earth. It's not happening. Small cap, under $1 billion. High risk, high reward. These can 10 times or go to zero. Medium cap, $1 billion to $10 billion. Established projects with growth potential but less explosive. Large cap, over $10 billion. Bitcoin, Ethereum, major infrastructure. Safer but slower growth. When someone says this 50-cent coin will hit $100, check the market cap. If it's already at $5 billion, a $100 price means a $1 trillion market cap. Compare that to Bitcoin's $1.8 trillion. Is this coin really going to be half the size of Bitcoin? Probably not. There are 3 types of supply you need to know. Circulating supply, coins currently in circulation and tradable. Total supply, all coins that exist including locked or vested tokens. Max supply, the absolute maximum that will ever exist. Bitcoin's max supply is 21 million. That's capped forever. Some coins have infinite supply. They can mint new tokens indefinitely. Price can go up while value stays flat if supply keeps increasing. Always check if the supply is capped or inflationary. Volume is how much of a coin is being traded daily. High volume means liquidity. You can buy and sell easily without moving the price too much. Low volume means thin markets. Your $1,000 buy order could spike the price 10%. Your $1,000 sell order could crash it. This is why small cap coins are risky. The market cap might look attractive, but if daily volume is only $50,000, you can't exit your position without tanking the price. Volume confirms whether the market cap is real or just a few holders inflating the number. Don't compare prices. Compare market caps. Coin A is $5 and coin B is $50, so coin A is cheaper. Wrong. Check their market caps. If coin A has a $10 billion market cap and coin B has a $2 billion market cap, coin B is actually the cheaper investment. It has more room to grow. For coin A to double, it needs to go from $10 billion to $20 billion market cap. For coin B to double, it needs to go from $2 billion to $4 billion. Which is easier? The smaller one. Price is a distraction. Market cap is the truth. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency at $1.8 trillion. Ethereum is second, around $400 billion. Every other coin is smaller. When evaluating a new project, ask, what's the realistic ceiling? If it's solving a huge problem and has strong fundamentals, maybe it reaches $50 billion to $100 billion. That's massive success. But it's not reaching Bitcoin's market cap unless it literally replaces Bitcoin. Use existing market caps as reference points. If your $500 million market cap coin needs to hit $500 billion to meet your price target, you're betting on 1,000 times increase in total value. That's lottery odds. When you evaluate any coin, ask this: for this coin to reach my target price, what market cap does it need, and is that realistic compared to existing projects? If the answer requires the coin to become bigger than Ethereum, you're not making an investment, you're making a prayer. Most people skip this question. They see low price, assume room to grow, and buy. Then they're confused when the coin stays flat. The price wasn't low, the market cap was already high. They were late. Comment the market cap of your biggest crypto holding. I want to see who's actually checking this before buying. Next video, I'm breaking down the psychology of crypto cycles, why people buy tops and sell bottoms, and how to stop doing it. Subscribe to Unbanked. The old money had a head start. You have the internet.